YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Oh man, so this right here, we are dealing with produce. I'm gonna put her on continuous, and let me tell y'all what we got going on. So we got carrots. This is a facility that make their own products. Let me get my phone just to make sure everything loaded right. Well, they grow their own products with everything, y'all. They got their own field, they do their own packaging, they do their own everything, you guys. And my appointment was for 10 a.m. His was for 9. They actually put me in before him. And we got 750 miles down to Gas City, Indiana. It's about 2 p.m. right now, and I want to make sure they loaded everything right. Okay, it's on pallets. I'm gonna actually get a picture of this. They put my load locks up. So we got fresh carrots. I seal that right here. Get on up here. Yeah, we got fresh carrots, y'all. And these are in crates, wrapped and sealed. I want to make sure they gon' I'm actually get another low bar on this one. And it's about let's say about 2. It's 2 o'clock. I got an all-night flight, y'all. I gotta be there at 7 in the morning. I got a 7 a.m. appointment, so ain't no room to stop. I don't want to put it too tight. Actually, let me. Yeah, you don't want to put it too tight. I don't play with produce, y'all, at all. You don't want it too tight. That's too loose. Don't want to stretch the walls. That's good. Now, is this necessary? No, but this is just how I give myself a peace of mind, y'all. It's too much, and I don't want to put it too. There we go. Now, I ain't gonna go in the middle of the shoe because I need the airflow to continuously run, so I ain't gonna block the chute. But I got here yesterday at 3, you guys, and I was hoping I was gonna be able to get in early, but product wasn't ready. And it's the main reason why I don't like dealing with produce, because product usually never ready. And we got 750 miles. I gotta run this all the way straight through. My man over there, he on EOD. He got another appointment. He got a same appointment over there with me at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Well, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So me, I ain't worried. We gonna make it happen, Captain. We gonna make it happen, and I'm gonna take y'all right with me. We got carrots. We got carrots. Let me get that seal. And so we should be seeing him down at Walmart. We about to go get fuel at the Casey's right now. We got a half a tank of fuel. Make sure she at 36. If I'm gonna run this load again. I got a good rate on it, you know, but I ain't got no time to waste, so I gotta get down here. So let's get moving, y'all. Let's get moving. Let's get on up out of here. over, y'all. Broker said he wanted it ran at 34 degrees continuous. So that's what we're gonna do. Drop it down a little bit. "34 degrees continuous." So that's what we're gonna run it at. Paperwork say 36, but he called and say, man, bump it down to 34 to continue it. I'm like, all right, man. You know, it's on Raycon, right? It's on Raycon. I looked at the Raycon. I'm like, man, send me something else, some different form. I told him to send it to me in a text or something else, man. You know, I see you got it on the Raycon. You know, send it to me something else. And he sent it over through a text also. So just gotta cover yourself with these produce loads, y'all. I cover myself. So let's get to this fuel station. Coming over to old Casey's. It say it got a diesel. Okay, it sure do. We're gonna go ahead and fill her up, y'all. So I thought I had 38,000 pounds. Only got 29,000 pounds, y'all. So we running light. We running real light. Right lane must turn right. Okay. Get our fuel, and then we gone, y'all. I'll go to this lane. Go to this lane. Sure, the lady got to turn on the pumps for me. Go ahead and let the big girl cool off for a little minute. We're gonna go inside, get the pumps turned on, and throw this trash away too. Fill this reefer all the way up. With us doing it straight through at 34 degrees, we should be right above 3/4. I'm gonna call it now. We're gonna be right above 3/4 when we get this load off, y'all. So let's get in here and get these pumps turned on. No problem, man. Can I get diesel pump 19? Let's fill the big girl up, man. I want to say I'm lighter than what I am on the Raycon, because I don't know if they was short product or what. But like I said, y'all, all week I've been in so much rain, it don't make no sense. But we are coming right back to Minnesota, and the weather looks fantastic. I'm happy about it. This time we're coming straight up to Minnesota. We ain't doing Iowa. And the weather looks good, so I'm happy about that. Stay inside. Skid. Move nozzle. We are getting this for $3.31, y'all. $3.31. I said we probably put in the filler all the way up. I still got about a half a tank in both. Say about 100 and something gallons. Then we're gonna fill that reefer up. So yeah, I'm excited about next week, y'all. I'm super excited. I've been in rain the whole entire time I've been trucking all this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. It's supposed to be clear Friday when I make my drop. Let me put this lock on too. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, all next week supposed to be clear. Just happy about that. Even when I picked up my load on Saturday, rain. Sunday, rain. Monday, rain. When I got the hour 80, it was raining. Like, I've been in rain all week. So I was watching the weather. I couldn't find out one day that was gonna be, you know, perfect. And I didn't want to wash my truck and polish my truck for one day. So I said, you know what? I'm Mr. Clean himself. So we're gonna, you know, we're gonna take this week off. They see me dirty, they know why, the rain, and it is what it is. But I'm excited about this upcoming week, y'all. We got 6 drops all in Minnesota area, all in the Hopkins, Minnesota, Twin City area, all week. And I'm trying to find a load now, coming back. So we got her at 34 degrees continuous. And like I said, we should be able to have a little bit over 3/4 when we get done. So filling her up. Ugh. 180. And I'll subtract this from the diesel. And I put it on my ticket. That's what we paid. Let's see how much we saved. So we got it for on the pump $600.29. Well, $629.58. We got it for $598. So we saved 30 bucks. Yep, saved right around 30 bucks. Would have been more if I got more fuel, but I didn't get that much fuel. Well, I did get a lot of fuel, so, but I think they pump price is pretty low. I think it's like 340. I think it's 340, 347. Yeah, 347. I got it for 331. So. No, I'm okay. Thank you. Alrighty. Alright, y'all. Let's rock and roll. Let me see. Minneapolis. Don't go actually through the city. Go around, go on the top side. What's that? 694, I believe. So. And I can't wait to wash this truck, man. Alright, y'all, we getting on 94 East from Minneapolis. Got through a little traffic on 694, but nothing major. Probably about maybe a 10-minute delay, but nothing too crazy. So we getting on 94 right now, and we're gonna take this all the way down to 39 and 90, and we're gonna take 90 East over to Chicago. I hate coming this way right here, just cause it's so bumpy. It's super bumpy right here. Then I gotta get up to speed so quick. Well, it look like it's a little traffic up here, so I probably could take my time. And everybody getting on so slow. Like, why are y'all getting on so slow, man? Construction going on, y'all. Still got all this construction. Like an accident right there. Blowing smoke. Time we get all the way down there to the Illinois border, more than likely it's gonna be pretty much dark. What time is it? It's 5:52. Madison is about, I'm gonna say about 200 miles from where I'm at in Minneapolis. So I look at Madison just kind of being right in the middle. So yeah. All right, y'all. We made it down here to the Chicagoland area. One thing I always do before I come through Chicago, so as y'all know, I came off of 90 out of Wisconsin, go down to 39, and then you can either go 39 south or you can go 90 east towards Chicago. Anytime I get close to the city, no matter what time it is, I always get on Google Maps and make sure everything is decent, everything is good. I got a clear path through the city. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna take 90 all the way through and then catch 94. I ain't gonna get on the toll road after coming out of the city. So I look at it, they actually got 90 closed downtown. So I'm like, ah, man, well, there goes that. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna take 90 through the city since they got it closed downtown. I don't know what happened or if they doing some construction. I don't know what it is, but they end up closing it downtown. Google Maps told me that. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'm gonna take 290, then take 290 down, all the way down to 294, which that'll go into 8094. Then actually what I'm gonna do is from there, 8094 going past Gary, Indiana, I'm gonna grab 65, parts of 65, then grab US 30, take US 30. I think that's down to US 31 south, and then I'm gonna take that all the way down and come on over to US 35, and that goes straight into Gas City. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's where we at with it, y'all. Still rocking and rolling. We got about, I want to say 200 more miles. So we've been pushing her, and let's see if I can get past these people. So yeah, look like we'll arrive at like, I think I want to say 4:45, 4:30. So what we're gonna do is find somewhere to stop, get out, probably use the restroom, take a little break, look over the truck, make sure everything good, look at the tent, check over everything, and then get back on the road. Probably 45 minute break. So that way I could just roll right into Walmart. You know, I don't have to worry about nothing. So that's the plan. So we still moving, you guys. We still moving, getting her done. Pretty much got her knocked out. Got 200 miles left. So let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. Probably get back with y'all when we get down there on 8094 around there, around the Gary, Indiana area. So I see y'all then. All right, family. It's just been raining the whole time I've been rocking and rolling. It's raining even harder. But I want to show y'all. We are on. See if y'all can see that. On our way to 35. Get that rain off. 35. And we good. So it's about 5:12 in the morning, and I'm gonna stay here for about another 20-25 minutes before I roll down there. So I don't want to get in there too early. You only can, get in that hour before your appointment time. So stay here for about another 20 minutes, and then we're gonna roll in down there at Gas City, Indiana, at the Walmart, y'all. So I'll see y'all in a few, and we're gonna get down there. Hopefully we can get unloaded in time. We got 2 pickups in the afternoon tomorrow. So all right, y'all, we coming up on a Walmart entrance. I think it's the second entrance. I used to come here all the time with my last company. 7 a.m. is a very, very popular appointment time. 8 a.m., 7 a.m. So look like it's 2 in line right now. So 3 in line. Let's just hope we ain't here forever. All right, y'all, let's wait for this line to start moving. What's up, bro?
How are you?
Good.
Trailer number is 30871.
3087T.
Okay,
Yeah.
we don't do letters. Tractor?
3.
I could try to get you in today. I can't guarantee anything because we're pretty backed up as it is.
What's your reefer set to?
34.
Perishable receiving any other copy.
Phone number for you. What I'm gonna do is send you back to the office. They'll get you a door back.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, okay.
Have a good one.
All right, appreciate it, brother.
Yep.
No door available. I think I might just go around, buddy. An hour early. Well, not even an hour early. What time is it? You hear it in my voice a little bit. I'm a little tired, y'all. Pushed that thing all the way through. Took the little break on the ramp for about 30 minutes. So I didn't want to get in here too early. I'm trying to figure out. I've always gotten a door down here. I've never not gotten a door, so I'm trying to figure out where they parking at. From when you ain't got when you don't have a door instantly. Okay.
Tractor tires disconnect.
Okay, 304, right?
Okay. Thank you. 3, 2, 1. Want to see how we did on these carrots. Dang on ABS light on. I don't know why. I don't know why you on. Let's see how we did, y'all. Ah, let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Protect the bag, y'all. Come on now. Protect the bag. That's how you hit it up. They still on there. I don't do no crazy driving, y'all. I take it easy. All right, y'all. We drop. Tandems to the rear. Still got that unit running. Just keep it running the entire time until you empty. So that way you don't have no issues if something go wrong. So I know with this produce load, I pretty much cover myself. If something happen, it ain't got nothing to do with me. Temperature is right, trailer's clean, load secure, on time, you know, everything that I could possibly do, I've done. I'm just not a fan of produce, y'all. I'm really not a fan of it. So, but we got the bag secured though, so put 5 load locks on. Shipper put on 3, we put on 2 more just to make sure. So yup, so now we just got to see how long they gonna take. I really don't think they're gonna take their time. I mean, it is produce. I know they want to get that stuff off, so then they gotta check it. Produce just take a little bit longer. Gotta check it, make sure ain't nothing spoiled. And now I don't know how they check it with the carrots and stuff like that. I don't know how they do it, but we'll see. Let's show them this chock tires and stuff, and we be good. It's right here, y'all. Got some nice low frame on it. That's probably about a 22-inch bump, probably 20 spread. I like that. So they gonna send a text out, letting me know when I'm done, and I'm gonna set my alarm clock for at least 2 hours. I'm gonna at least give them 2 hours, which would probably be a little bit longer. But yeah, I'm about to get some shut eye for at least 2 hours. Take care of myself real quick, brush my teeth and stuff like that. But we got her here on time, y'all, and waiting to get up out of here. Then we got 2 pickups to make. Then we're gonna finally, I don't know if I'm gonna wash the truck today or tomorrow on Lake Station, Indiana down there. 'Cause I think I'm gonna be down there part of the weekend, so, but we definitely need it. Big girl did her thing. Yes, sir. She did her thing. Wonder if he's hot. That's thick. Yeah, we're gonna need a good wash. Real good wash. Let me show y'all where the fuel at. I thought we was gonna be above 3/4 a little bit. And look at that. Above 3/4 a little bit. So I pretty much called it on that one, y'all. We ain't burn that much fuel. Let's get in here and lay it down, and I'll get back with y'all once we get up out of here, y'all. All right, y'all, we out of here. It's 9 o'clock, well, 9:20. Just did my paperwork, sent in my invoice, sent in all my signed bills. We out of here, y'all. So it took them 2 hours. So not bad at all, y'all. Not bad at all. I'm actually happy I'm up out of here, y'all. So let's get to this gate. I gotta open one of them doors back up. I wasn't trying to let all my air out, but let's get to these. Let's get to the front, y'all, and have them check everything. All right, y'all. We up out of Gas City. Let's head to our first pick. Get this freight on and chill out for the day, y'all. All right, y'all. So this little place is actually attached to like a little shopping center. So I could have came in this way, but I'm like, man, it got to be these doors. So end up being these doors. I just went and checked in. They want me to go to that middle door right there. So about to get in that little middle door real quick. Got to pretty much go in on the street. So like somebody coming in. All right, let's get back into that middle door, y'all. What kind of facility is this? What is it? What's in the trailer? You know? So we up out of here. Just grabbed one pallet. About to go out this way. Go ahead to our last pickup. Nothing major today, something easy. Made it down to merchandise warehouse. Dirty as ever. Look at that truck. Filthy. This place, I got a 530, y'all. It's only, say it's only like 11, I believe so. Yeah, like 11. Last time I was here, I got out of here pretty early, so we'll see if I'm gonna get up out of here. I think I'm only getting like 6 pallets of some freight, nothing major, so we'll see. Booked the load for next week. I really hate booking early, just because you just ain't got that negotiating power, like, you know, the day before or same day. So, but that's just the market we in right now, man. Really just ain't safe booking same day or the day before. So I always book pretty much a week in advance or a few days in advance. But let's get checked in, y'all.
Driver check-in.
All right, family, we over here, merchandise warehouse. They waited till my appointment time, y'all, so I've been here for like 6-7 hours waiting on to get loaded, but it's cool though. We only got like 4 or 5 pallets. We all sealed up. We good to go. So I think I'm about to head up here to the wash, or I might end up going to Lake Station tomorrow. I don't know. Just all depends on what the temperature gonna be. If it's gonna be high, I'm probably just wait till tomorrow and do all of that. So, but thank everybody for watching the video. Continue to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you get a notification every time I drop a brand new video. I definitely appreciate all the new subscribers. Let's keep this thing going, you guys. Y'all be safe out there. Y'all keep getting that money, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.